This is exactly what you don't want to see in a car. We just bought this Volkswagen Passat TSI 1.8 for only 5,500 ringgit. But not sure, is it a bargain or disaster? So this particular one came in with a lot of lights on the dash. So that's what we're gonna see what's wrong with the car, really, actually. Like, doesn't mean like, every light means problem. So we might, spend a lot of money to fix it, but to be honest, these cars are very sensitive. Might be like simple as low voltage. So that's why every time, make sure you diagnose properly, check with proper diagnostic tools so that you know what's really going with the car.